Hi everybody, welcome back to Living Between Paychecks Kitchen. I'm Oz, that's Jack.
Hey.
The cameraman that you've never seen in public. The first few videos had Jack. Now, here's the thing.
Spam one.
You did cook the spam? Gross. So, here's what we're gonna do. Here's your setup, right? You're really hungry, you've been staying up, like gaming, you got a bunch of people around, but it's way too late to order a pizza. So what do? You make struggle pizza. A lot of us did this as kids before everybody had that cheap ass $5 pizza up the road. So let's go ahead and get to it. Struggle pizza. So yeah, this is your basic broke stuff. Your crust is going to be your bread, white bread, whole wheat. You want to get some garlic powder, garlic salt, whatever kind of cheese, mozzarella is best, but anything will work. Get you some pasta goop, some old fashioned
tomato sauce,
right? And then whatever kind of meats and stuff you like putting on it. I was able to find some of the pepperonis. You can get like hamburger meat, anything. Alright, so you're going to start with your baking sheet. We don't put anything on it. We lay out some bread in it. Like I said, it's going to be your crust. You want to heat it first. Kind of get it crispy or whatever. It's just going to be soggy bread. So you set this, we put it for 350, let it heat up, and then you got to open a stupid can. I don't suggest you let kids or me do this, because apparently I can't figure out the can opener properly. Yeah. Like I can't... Like, be careful with this. It's stupid sharp. Like, and once you get it open, you're set now. You put your bread in once it's preheated, right? And let that sit. Now you get the rest of it ready. Like, you get your pasta stuff open, open your meat, get your bread laid out, or your cheese laid out. Sorry, and get that done. Now, once this heats up, you don't want it like burnt toast because you're gonna have to put it back in there. Like
you just want it toasty.
Yeah, you can feel the top of it. It's kind of got that little crisp to it, and that's fine. And then you get you some of your garlic stuff, put it on there, makes it taste Italian-y.
Makes it taste less like bread.
Yeah,
bread and tomato.
And then put your pasta goop on it. Now, growing up, and I know a lot of people with kids still do this. This is like a design your own pizza kind of thing. So they come in and do this for them, like do the most basic stuff, like put on the pasta goop and. Cheese. Ignore our cheese. It's frozen because we're poor and it has to last a lot longer. So it kind of clumps up. And then just decorate the best you can. I think I did like 5 on all of these, except one only got stuck with 4. So my math sucks. My mathing is bad.
They're one short. And
these are very greasy. I got them at the dollar store for like $1. But the grease is holding them together. They're not like glued together. They're not in the package. It's just clumped. And then I go back and I do a second layer of cheese because I'm a fat guy.
More cheese, why not? More, it'll cover up the taste of bread.
It's just a pepperoni delivery system at this point. So once you put it back in the oven, let it get in there until it starts getting that brown edges there with nice cheese melt and do whatever, so you're set. So there, the struggle pizza. That was David May actually suggested this or whatever, and Spaceborg Queen over on our Patreon. They're sure to set us up. I think it cost a total of like $6. And it fed me at least twice, and like the small family could have at least eat it off once. That's how we generally did it growing up.
Mm-hmm.
Just sad pizza.
Sad pizza.
And there we go. Proper food cooked, super cheap, and for you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Like, share, comment. Please subscribe. Ring the little bell if you need it, and that'll show us anytime that we post something. It'll show up over in your notifications. Perfect, works out. If not, you can find us over on Instagram at Living Between, or on Facebook at Living Between Paychecks Kitchens over there, or just here Tuesdays and Fridays on YouTube. We'll see you next time.